This video is about today's version of Vica30H for Windows. I'm in my AC Motor CAD Vica30 directory, and I'm going to run the latest application, which is called Vica30Hwin. Let's make this a bit bigger. Now, do I want to use alternate wire table? No. Inputs from file? Yes. I have a stored file. I think it's a 15 horse motor. SJ30. We have a new variable here for decimals. And it's set to the defaults. I'll explain that in a minute. Return. Return. Inputs okay, yes. Save the outputs, no. Continue calculations, yes. Screen or printer. Well, if you want your output saved to a file, take P, but right now we'll take S. And we have the problem where the amps resolution is not good. And the torque resolution is not good, or the horsepower out. Same thing over in these columns. Okay, so if we want to change some inputs, that I decimals one variable 100. It's right now it's 11100 for corresponding to the decimal places. Actually, the numbers to the right of the decimal place: horsepower, torque, watts, losses, amps. Just got to remember that order: horsepower, torque, watts, losses, amps. And we've got 1 decimal place, 1 decimal place, 1 decimal place, 0 decimal place, 0 decimal place. What we really would like, I think, here is maybe 3, 2, 1, 0, 3. So we'll say no, variable 100, 3, 2, 1, 0, 3. Oops. You can see here 32103. Inputs okay, yes. Save, yes. Let's save these. SJ30 version A. Continue calculations, yes. Outputs the screen or printer screen. Now our horsepower, torque, watts, losses, and amperes have 3, 2, 1, 0, and 3 decimal places to the right of the decimal point. Much better. Okay. I would write the performance data, except we don't have the output file yet. So I'm going to repeat outputs to the printer. Okay, now we've written our output, and we'll also write our speed, torque, and load performance files with a 4. And we're done. So if I look for what has been written in the same directory as the exe resided, I have my LPF file from doing the 4. See how we have the decimal places as we wanted them, and the speed torque file, same thing. And this is the output file that went to the printer, but we didn't go to the printer, we went to a text file. Here's our input data. Here's our output data. That's not in the format we wanted, but it looks okay anyway. Yeah, this is a little different. 32103 did take effect here. So this is the output file, Vica30. Vica30. Geez, I can't see that. And that is the way that the new version works. As of July 30th, 2018.